Title: The Sneezing Elephant. Ella the elephant had the loudest sneeze in the jungle. One day, while picking flowers, she felt a tickle in her trunk. Ah, 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 ah. Her sneeze was so powerful. It blew all the monkeys off their tree branches and spun a zebra's stripes the wrong way. "Bless you," said Leo the lion, holding onto a bush to avoid being blown away. "Sorry," sniffled Ella. "I think I'm allergic to daisies." The animals gave her a flowerless hat and named her the jungle hairdryer, because her sneezes dried everyone after rainstorms. From then on, whenever it rained, everyone shouted, "Ella, quick, sniff a daisy." Moral: even a big sneeze can be a big help if you